right back.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma until 6:42 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Union City, or 12 miles west of Mustang, moving east at 36 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and tennis ball-sized hail. The storm was confirmed by Doppler radar. Locations within the warning include Mustang, Southwest Oklahoma City, Will Rogers World Airport, South Oklahoma City, Moore, and Valley Brook. If you are in the path of the storm, take cover now. The safest place to be during a tornado is a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. If you are in a mobile home, evacuate immediately. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:42 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Oklahoma, Canadian, Cleveland, and Oklahoma.